Okay, today we're going to practice our less than. So, we'll practice less than with our fruit.
It's time to play! I like strawberries!
Okay, so we're counting the strawberries first on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 strawberries on the left side. Now counting them on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which side has more? This side with 6 has more. So now, looking at the bottom, I need to look for the one with the mouth open toward the side with 6 strawberries. This side shows the mouth open to the 6 strawberries.
6 is greater than 5.
Now we're going to replace that with our numbers. Do you remember which one's more? 6 is more. It's greater than.
6 is greater than 5.
Great job. On to the next one. Okay, so let's start by counting the ones on the left. 1, 2 cherries. And the ones on the right, 1, 2, 3. Which side has more? This side, the side with 3. Okay, so we need the mouth that's opening up to the side with 3, the side with more. 2 is less than 3.
2 is less than 3.
Okay, let's try with numbers. All right, do you remember which one's more? 3 is more, so we need the mouth open to 3.
2 is less than 3.
Okay. Now we have to count the ones on the left. 1. And the ones on the right. 1. 1 is equal to 1. They're the same.
1 is equal to 1.
Great job. Now let's make our smoothie.
I love smoothies!
Let's do it.
Super cool!
Okay, so now we're going to start our Nearpod lesson on less than. And our code for today is HKCWO. Again, that's HKCWO. You're going to take that code and go to nearpod.com or the Nearpod app. Okay, and you're going to type your name in so I get to see all your hard work. Now, this is a zookeeper. We read about the Irwin family and how they have a zoo to help take care of animals that were hurt in wildfires. The directions are which is less. Less than can also mean smaller. Count the items in each row, place the number in the box. Place a check mark in the small box next to the number that is less. So here we have 1, 2, 3 zookeepers. I labeled them. I want you to count them with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 zookeepers. Now the next row. 1. Can you count the next row? 1. Which one has less or smaller? 1 is smaller, so 1 is less than 3. Okay, so 1 is less than 3. we have the mouth open to the side with 3 because 3 is more. So when you're done filling in your boxes 3, 1, and that 3 is less, please hit submit. Okay, so here we have a hospital. And the wild animals can't go to the hospital. Okay, so they go to the zoo. First, we're going to label the first row. 1, 2. Now I want you to count them with me. Ready? 1, 2. 2 hospitals. Okay, now let's go to the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we need to say which one's less or smaller. If you have $2, do you have less? Or if you have $5, do you have less? You have less if you have $2. So 2 is less than 5. When you're done filling in your boxes, 2, 5, and the check for 2 is less than, hit submit. Okay, now we have some wildfires. First, I'm going to label the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, let's go to the second row. First label, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 wildfires. Now, which one is less? Okay. If you're thinking of cookies, if I have 4 and you have 6, which one of us has less? 4 is less. So 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than. When you're done filling in your boxes for 6, 4, and less than, hit submit. Okay, so now we have TV because the Irwin family is famous. Okay, so I'm going to label first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 famous stars. Now let's do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 famous stars. Now, which one is less, the smaller amount? Less means smaller. Are you smaller when you're 7 or when you're 5? You're smaller when you're 5. So 5 is less than 7. When you're done filling in your boxes, 7, 5, and less than, then you can hit submit. And you did such a great job practicing your less than today. You're amazing.